Take a look at the Clamp and Lock ladder rack system from Holman installed on our Ram ProMaster City. This system allows you to secure a ladder in seconds without the need for straps or ties. The built-in clamping handle simply compresses the ladder up against a forward stopper, keeping the ladder securely in place. This makes loading and unloading a ladder a 5-second operation rather than the typical 5-minute ordeal when dealing with Velcro straps, bungees, or tie downs. We have the single ladder kit installed, which has the clamp down system on the curb side of the van, with the driver's side crossbars open for whatever else you may need to secure to the roof. The Clamp and Lock is also offered in a dual ladder option, which gives you an additional clamping system on the driver's side. We are in Michigan, so we went with the aluminum system. It's lighter weight at 40 pounds and will resist corrosion from all the salt we put on our roads. It's also available in steel, which makes it a little lower cost, but it does weigh a little bit more, coming in at 65 pounds. In terms of weight capacity, the rack can handle any load up to your roof carrying capacity. The limiting factor in load capacity will be the van's roof, not the rack. Installation is pretty straightforward, and everything you need is included in the kit, including a detailed illustrated installation guide. We also have a video showing you how to install this on a ProMaster City. However, this rack will also fit the Chevy City Express, Ford Transit Connect, and Nissan NV200. To learn more about this rack or find any equipment you need to get your van ready for work, check us out at upfitsupply.com.